How to install add-on pads in GTA 5. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'll show you on how you can do this quickly and easily. Now basically, you want to head over to your browser right here and you can just go ahead and search for OpenIV. Right after that, this search results will show up. So you can just go ahead and open up this website called OpenIV.com. In here, you want to click on Download Now. Click on Save and just go ahead and install the application. Click on Continue, and from here you can just click on Accept the terms and agreements, continue once more, and right after that you can now go ahead and select the file path of this specific application right here. So you can just go ahead and click on Continue. And basically right after installing the application, you can just go ahead and open it up. From here, you will then want to select GTA 5, click on Windows, and we can now go ahead and click on Browse. You want to go ahead and locate the location of your GTA file, click on Select Folder, and once again, you want to click on Continue. Continue once more, and wait for the loading to finish. You have to make sure that you click on the Edit Mode button, click on Continue, and from here, you then want to click on the ASI Manager. Go ahead and install all of these required files. And from there, you can now go ahead and close the application. Moving forward, you can just go ahead and open up your GTA 5 folder, and you want to go ahead and make your own mods folder. So you can just go ahead and click on New Folder and name your folder Mods. From there, you can then go ahead and copy the update file right here. Click on Mods, and you can just go ahead and paste the update folder inside the Mods folder. Moving forward, we have to download additional files like the add-on peds, scripthookv, scripthookv.net, and lastly native UI 1.9.1. You can go ahead and get these files from gta5mods.com. Right after, you can now go ahead and open up OpenIV once more, and from here the first thing that we want to do is to go ahead and click on the add-ons file that we have downloaded. From here, you can just go ahead and copy the scripts file into the GTA directory. From there, you can now go ahead and open up the native UI file and just go ahead and copy both of these files right here into the scripts folder that we just added. From there, we can now proceed to the scripthookv. Click on the bin folder, and you can just copy the dinput8.dll and scripthookv.dll into the GTA 5 directory. And for our last file, you can just open up scripthookv.net, copy all of these files right here, and paste them inside the GTA 5 directory. And once again, you want to open the add-on peds file, copy both of this file right here into the GTA 5 directory. Now moving forward to the last step, you can just head over to the mod folder once more, click on Update, Update RPF, click on Common, Data, and from here you want to go ahead and look for this specific file, which is the dlclist.xml. You can just right click this file, click on Edit, scroll all the way down, copy this line right here, and enter the same line below that specific command. From here, you can just go ahead and replace this with add-on peds. Go ahead and click on Save, and we should be good to go. And so, the only thing left to do now is to go ahead and go back to the GTA 5 directory go ahead and click on the add-ons editor, and you want to make sure that you open this as administrator. From here, you can just go ahead and click on rebuild, and this will ensure that we have successfully installed our add-on pads. And so, if this message right here shows up, it means that you have successfully installed add-on pads in your GTA 5. As of the moment, we have the Vito Mafia and we have Superman on our game right here. You can just go ahead and click on OK, open up GTA 5, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.